Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we will learn how to change themes in Poco F3 GT smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open app drawer, then need to find themes. So this one is lastly available. You need to choose themes. Now the theme stories get open. So you can find the lot of themes here. You can choose your desired theme from the theme store. So we will open this one, then you can preview the theme also. If you want to set the theme, you need to click the green icon. You click that, so it will get downloading. Need to wait some time. Now you can choose the elements from the theme. You can use the lock screen, home screen or system. If you want to disable the home screen, you can disable the home screen also. So then you want to choose icons, you can choose icon or disable that. So after your selection, you need to click apply. Now the theme is got applied. Now we can go with home page. So the theme is applied successfully. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.